In this video, we will watch the Volvo XC90 plug-in hybrid at the Autoshow premiere at the Canadian International Autoshow. At the end, I'll give you my thoughts on this plug-in hybrid, as I'm a Lexus plug-in hybrid owner as well. Let's get to it.
Good morning. I'm thrilled to be here with you today to share something that's been at the core of our brand for decades: safety and innovation. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing our latest advancements and products, showcasing how we continue to set the benchmark for both. Volvo has always been synonymous with safety. In fact, every car here at the show carries a little bit of Volvo in them, with the invention of the 3-point safety belt. But safety isn't just part of our history, it defines our future. Last year, I stood here and introduced the fully electric Volvo EX90, and today, I'm excited to share with you the Volvo Safety Cage. In 2007, we had a vision that no one should be seriously injured or killed in a new Volvo car. This commitment helped us make some pretty bold decisions, and today, we aim for no collisions at all. The Safety Cage is one example of how our ambitions we are driving closer to these ambitions. Designed to provide added crash protection for all occupants, the safety cage is a key structural element of what makes our cars so safe. Here, we have the EX90 safety cage on display, built upon decades of pioneering safety advancements and incorporating lessons learned from analyzing almost 50 years of real-world crash data and research. And the result? A structure that uses a combination of lightweight aluminum and ultra-high strength boron steel, maximizing protection and energy absorption without adding unnecessary weight. But safety isn't just about protection. It's also about minimizing distractions and ensuring that drivers can focus on what matters most, the road ahead. And that's the motivation behind the new design philosophy of our new generation Volvo car UX. Designed to be an enjoyable way to interact safely with your car's infotainment screen, the new Volvo car UX is more focused and personalized. We've rethought the way information is presented on screen, ensuring you get to what you need when you need it. With the new home screen, essential controls like maps and media are always at your fingertips. Our new contextual bar intelligently adapts to the driving situation, displaying the most relevant information based on what's happening in the moment. For our plug-in hybrid models, we've made it easier to switch to pure mode, giving you the ability to drive fully electric in fewer taps. And the best part, the new Volvo car UX isn't limited to just our latest models. Later this year, it will roll out over the air to all existing Volvo cars equipped with Google built in. That means that over 35,000 Volvo owners in Canada will have access to the best and most up-to-date experience, delivering high-quality software that makes even older cars feel new again. And now, let's turn our attention to our award-winning flagship SUV, the new Volvo XC90. Making its Canadian Autoshow premiere today, simply put, this is the design to be the best XC90 we've ever made, combining luxury, premium Scandinavian design, technology and safety in a way that only Volvo can. The new XC90 features a beautifully upgraded 11.2-inch freestanding high-resolution screen with the latest Volvo car UX. With an estimated EPA of 53 kilometers of pure electric driving range, the plug-in hybrid is capable of handling daily commutes on electric power alone, making it a perfect option for those who want an electrified driving experience with a backup plan. And for me, that means I can make it to the office and home on one single charge. The new XC90 plug-in hybrid will play a vital role in Volvo's electrification strategy as we progress towards our 2030 ambitions. Canadians are embracing plug-in hybrids as a perfect step towards electrification. And for Volvo in Canada, this is reflected in the strength of our sales. Last year, our plug-in hybrid sales grew 73%. And represented a quarter of total sales. In fact, we sold more plug-in hybrids than any other Canadian luxury OEM. And this year, the momentum continues. In January, our current generation XC90 plug-in hybrid represented 25% of new car sales, reinforcing the importance of plug-in hybrids. From a design perspective, the new XC90 gets a more contemporary look with an updated front end, new grille, slimmed down iconic Thor's hammer headlights, and a refreshed cabin that exudes Volvo's signature Scandinavian design. Inside, we've introduced upholstery options such as Nordico, made from bio-attributed recycled materials in cork, and a navy herringbone weave, a premium textile crafted from 100% recycled polyester. Thanks to improved sound insulation with acoustic foam-filled pillars, a new frequency-selective damping system, and optional air suspension, the new XC90 provides a comfortable and quiet ride, adapting to the road conditions in real time. When it comes to safety, the new XC90 has all the features you expect from Volvo, with collision avoidance systems, an advanced sensor suite, and a safety cage. The new XC90 is available now for sale with test drives with our retailers across Canada at a starting price of $75,550. The future of Volvo is here. It's safer, smarter, and more personal than ever. Whether it's our new generation Volvo Car UX or the latest iteration of our Volvo flagship XC90, every innovation across our product offering is designed to put people and safety first. We're thrilled to bring our purpose to life. Enjoy the rest of your tour. We'll be available to answer any questions this afternoon. Thank you.
I do think that Volvo design does look nice. The materials of the interior do look more sophisticated in comparison to the current generation Lexus vehicles. There are some piano black on the steering wheel and the infotainment screen, but that is kept to a minimal, which I think a lot of people do complain about. The current generation Lexus vehicles have too much piano black, not much wood. One big thing I really like about this announcement is their new UX, the user experience. One thing I do feel that Lexus is lacking is that when they change the Lexus infotainment from the touchpad or that mouse interface to the Lexus interface, it doesn't have a home screen. And this time, Volvo did say that they're not leaving out their old vehicles. They're doing an upgrade to any vehicle that actually has the Google operating system. And that makes old vehicles look like a new vehicle and it keeps it fresh. I have complained about the Lexus not doing more frequent updates to the Lexus interface, and the most recent update, the 2170, has been out for many months already. And again, no updates. When we compare the Volvo with the RX, price-wise, it's very similar. The RX in Canada there's only one trim, and that's the executive trim, and that's about $91,000. The Volvo XC90, in the video they said about 70 something thousand, but when I went to their website, I only saw the XC90 Ultra, and that goes to 97,000. And it makes sense because the Lexus RX is their top trim and the Ultra is the XC90's top trim, and that goes to 97,000. So it's still about $8,000 more than the Lexus. However, the XC90 is more powerful in comparison. The RX has 304 horsepower versus the XC90 does have 455. So if you're looking for a bigger punch, the Volvo definitely will be faster. But then when you have more speed, faster, fuel economy definitely will hurt. 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers for the Volvo versus 6.7 for the Lexus. With more power, definitely it'll be faster. 0 to 100, 5.3 seconds for the Volvo versus 6.6 for the Lexus, so it's 1.3 seconds slower. EV range-wise, 60 kilometers for the RX versus 53 for the Volvo, so 7 kilometers isn't really that much more, but it could make a difference. Battery-wise, 18.1, and I think the Volvo is 18.8. Some may say they buy Lexus because they're more reliable. And I tend to agree. I've actually owned a Volvo myself, and that was before I moved to the Toyota Lexus family. Many years ago, I do remember the nightmares of a repair after repair. However, it's been many years already. Too many, I can't count with my two hands. So I had to go to look at consumer reports. Volvo is still very low in the reliability scores. However, if I'm in for another plug-in hybrid, I would definitely give Volvo a chance and go test drive it. But I do think that my NX450h Plus will still last many years. So that may be a little bit too far. Who knows what will happen then? Are we going to go hydrogen, battery electric? Hybrids are still in at that time? Really don't know. Unless Lexus doesn't keep up with their software within their cars, that may actually force me to change to something new. If they do keep it up, probably will still keep that car running. Time will tell. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.